Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a math Olympiad question from German, which is x power x equals to 2 power 2x plus 8. You're supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide a solution very quickly by copy what you have. We have x power x equals to 2 power 2x plus 8, and here we have x power x equals to, here we are going to factorize this power that we have right here to get 2 outside, x plus 4, so that here this will be x power x will be 2 power 2 equals to 4 power x plus 4. Right, so that this is what we have right here, to mean that here we have x power x equals to 4 power x times 4 power 4. So that here at this stage, what should we do? You should have to divide 4 power x and here 4 power x, so that you should get x power x over 4 power x equals to this one. This will be cancelled to get 4 power 4. Because you have same power, should do write this one as x over 4 power x equals to 4 power 4. So in order to look the same as this that we have, in order to look the base that we have right here, what should we get? We should do power this number. So we have here x over 4 power x times 1 over 4. Right here will be 4 power 4 times 1 over 4. Right, so that here we should get x over 4 power x over 4 equals to 4 power 1. Right, so at this stage we have x over 4, then power x over 4 will be 2 power 2. So at this stage we have this one which is look like this, and this one is look like this, so that we can equalize each other. Base or power, let us start here from base. X over 4 equals to 2. Then by cross multiplication we shall get x equals to 4 times 2, then x will be 8. Right, so at this stage we can check if your answer is correct. So we have given x power x equals to 2 power 2x plus 8, so that here we have 8 power 8 equals to 2 power 16 plus 8, so that here you have 8 power 8 equals to 2 power 24, and we can write this one as 8 power 8 equals to 2 power 3 times 8. At this stage you have 8 power 8 equals to 2 power 3, then power 8 here, so that here 8 power 8 equals to 8 power 8, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget share and subscribe. I can say that. Bye bye, see you the next time.